Good morning, everyone. It is 7:39, and I was gonna go to Curves, but it is pouring raining. Like, I had my poncho on. My hair in the front was getting a little wet. I don't have rain boots. I only have, like, crappy sneakers that I wear in the rain. And if you guys can, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm starting to get, like, a runny nose. And I feel like me walking to Curves and back would probably make this worse. Like, I need to stay out of, I need to, like, get better. Even though it hasn't completely started yet. But I need to ask Angel or somebody, like, what I can take. Because I don't know if I can have sugar-free cough drops. Because my throat doesn't hurt. But I don't know if, like, the cough drops would help a little bit with the cold. I was sneezing yesterday, like, a couple times. And now, all of a sudden, my nose is stuffy. Oh, and I had plans for Sunday, you guys. Like, big plans for Sunday. So hopefully I can, like, maybe I can have my mom give me some of her allergy medication. But I have to find out what we can have on keto. Like, can we have, like, all medicines? Or is there certain medicines that we can't have because of sugar? So, I have to find out. And I don't know if it's because of the dry heat. Because I do always have my heat on because it's cold. So, I don't know if this is because of the dry heat in my house. Which means, like, if I'm getting like this, then Aubrey's going to get like this. Which is even worse because she's horrible and she doesn't feel good. But, so I have my water that I was going to drink at Curves. Oh, I went too fast, the weather. Wow. A guy broke into a barbershop and a lady had like an alarm system where, like a camera system where you could talk through it. So like they were yelling at the guy and they caught him. Wow. Okay, guys, well, I'm gonna, drink up this water because now that I didn't go to Curves, I do need to drink some water. And I'm gonna go upstairs and change because I'm in, like, workout type clothes. I want to change into actual clothes before I have to go for my appointment. So, yeah, guys, I'll see you after. Hey, guys, it's 9:56, and I made myself some chai tea. Maybe that will help with my nose and stuff. I do have some Mucinex. I gotta take some Mucinex. Aubrey's Mimi gave me. And I'm just sitting here waiting for my stepfather to come for my appointment. It's at 11, but I think he said he's coming for like 10:30. So, yeah, so I'm just sitting here waiting for him to come and everything. I think I'm going to charge up my phone a little bit because I've just been sitting here deleting emails from my phone. So it's starting to, like, get down. So I think I'm going to charge up my phone and put yesterday's video together for you guys so I can upload it today. Hey guys, it's 12:39. My stepfather is in Family Dollar getting some stuff. It is pouring. Pouring rain. Pouring. So I went to my appointment. I have to go back on the 1st. Goodness. So the 1st I go back. And we went to McDonald's. I got my stepfather the 2 for $5 because he brought me. So I just paid for him to get something to eat. And then I got myself a Diet Coke right here. And now he's in there. And then we're going to be going to Price Chopper because he's got to get some stuff at Price Chopper. And then he's bringing me home. So But yeah, guys, I'll see you when I get home. Hey guys, it's 3:16 and I've been home for like an hour. Got a whole bunch of stuff done, and now my dad's going to get Aubrey. My mom's going to be coming in the house any minute, so I'll see you guys before Aubrey's ABA comes. Hey guys, it's 6:50. I'm about to make Aubrey some ramen noodles and then put her to bed. Just drinking up some water here. I gotta make some room here. So yeah, I've been watching this Lifetime movie while her ABA was here. Yes, Aubrey. Yes, I see it. Yes, you can bring it next time. Yep.
Can I bring one of those babies to school?
Hold on.
See her, Mommy? That's what I want to bring to school.
Oh, okay. Go sit. Mommy's gonna make your ramen noodles. Ramen noodles in bed. Yeah, there's this like tabletop like painting thing that I got her like not last Christmas but the Christmas before, and it's just been sitting at my mom's house. So my mom gave it to me, and her ABA were doing it tonight. So tomorrow's Friday already. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I picked up some more Bang drinks today. They're like kind of like energy drinks because they have like 300 milligrams of caffeine. Leave your papers alone, Aubrey. So if I were to have one, I wouldn't have coffee because of how much caffeine. So this one is cotton candy. Then I got Power Punch, the Rainbow Unicorn, and Bangster Berry. And then this one right here, I'm excited. Lemon Drop Sweet Tea. Now all of these, like this one has 0 calories, so I could have this one and it wouldn't break my fast. This one has 0 calories. 0 calories, 0 calories, and 0 calories. I do have another one that I showed you guys before, but this is like a coffee one, and this one does have calories. So I'm thinking that like this one would be for a day where I want like coffee, even though I wonder like how maybe it's like a coffee taste, but it doesn't actually have coffee. Because like I said, they already have like 300 milligrams of caffeine in them. So, but, so I was watching the Lifetime movie. It was on, like, Amazon Prime has a lot of movies. You guys, there's this movie called David. And when he was a little boy, him and his parents, like, split up. And the father, like, was jealous of how much time the mother got over him. So one weekend he had him and he took him to Disney World or Disneyland. And gave him sleeping pills to put him to sleep. And then he set his bed on fire. Like in his mind, he's like, if I can't have him, you can't have him type of thing. So the little boy survives, but his whole body is burned. And I guess Michael Jackson, like this happened around the time Michael Jackson was like really popular. And Michael Jackson helped him pay for a lot of his surgeries. And now his name is Dave. And I guess he like changed his last name and everything, because he didn't want any association with his father at all. It's on Amazon Prime and it's on YouTube. So it's on Amazon Prime. I'm gonna have to show my mom, and she'll probably watch it tomorrow when she's here with Aubrey, because I know my mother will want to see that one. So I'll have to tell her about it. But it's called Dave. David is what it's called. So I'm sure she'll watch it. So, but okay, guys, I'm gonna get her ramen noodles is almost done. I'm gonna let her eat her ramen noodles, and then I'm gonna put her to bed, and then I'll see you guys when I come back down. Hey guys, it's 10:24. I know I need to change the shirt. I wore it last night, and I got some of my Powerade on it at the bottom here, so I need to change it when I go upstairs. If you guys recognize it from me wearing it yesterday. But I'm gonna do some dishes over here. Then I'm going to bed. So I figured I'd talk to you guys while I do some dishes. So oh, this thing is heavy. Thank goodness. So I hope everybody had a good day. So there's this, I know it's stupid to address haters, trolls, but there's this one person who's always commenting on my videos. Like today he commented something about how I look stupid because I look like I'm trying to talk to myself or something like that. And it's like, do you realize that that is basically, I'm talking into the camera to you guys. And it's like, this guy is either doesn't know what the heck vlogging is, or he's just a troll trying to make stuff up. So he's blocked. So he tries commenting, he can try all he wants, but he's blocked. People are dumb. So dumb. I'm gonna take some Mucinex and some I don't have any, obviously I have Benadryl for Aubrey, but I don't have any like Benadryl for me. So I'm just gonna take some Mucinex before bed. Hopefully that will help. So I'm going to Curves tomorrow. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh god, I gotta get more soap and this thing sucks. It doesn't want to come out. So, this week went by fast. I think it's because, like, Aubrey didn't have school for 2 days. So, it seemed like it went by, like, super fast. That's what I'm thinking. Guys, I am tired. I just want to go to bed. That's why I'm quickly washing up these dishes. I need to get more water bottles. I forgot again today. Like, I have some in the fridge. It's just the point that I'm gonna run out. So anybody got any plans for this weekend? I'm going with a friend on Sunday. Nothing Saturday. Aubrey doesn't have any group. So we might see her Mimi on Saturday. Okay, guys, well, I'm all done here. I'm all done. Oh, why the heck did my mother put those there? Oh, okay. Okay, guys, well, I'm tired. Okay, guys, well, I am all done doing dishes. I am gonna go to bed, so I will see you guys in the morning.